Welcome to all. Today I am going to start chapter number 4, division. Already we have learned three operations, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication. Sharing equally and putting into equal group both lead to division. See, 4 into 3, 12, and 12 divided by 4, 3. It means multiplication and division are related. Every multiplication fact has a corresponding division fact. We can use one to find the other. In this one, long division method, see this 305 divided by 4. This is known as dividend, this is known as divisor, and whatever answer will come of dividend and divisor, that is quotient, and at last what is remaining, that is remainder. How to check the answer? We will multiply by divisor and quotient plus remainder. So we get the same dividend, that is known as checking our answer. See, any number divided by itself give 1 as a quotient. See, suppose 2 divided by 2 is 1. In this one, 12 divided by 12 is 1. Any number divided by 1 gives the number itself as a quotient. It means 14 divided by 1 equals to 14. Last, you cannot divide by 0. Okay. Next, dividing a 4-digit number. In this one, some rules are there. So in this one, we will do step by step. The question is 9138 divided by 8. So first decide where to start. In this one, 8 and 9. So we know that 8 is less than 9. It means we start from 1000 place. After that, in this one, divide the 1000. It means divide, multiply the quotient with divisor, subtract and checking that the remainder is less than the divisor. In this one, these are the 4 steps. We have to check it. So 8 ones are 8. Remainder is this, quotient is this, and divisor is this. After that, in this one, whatever we are doing, the same thing we are checking here. Then after completing 1000, then we'll start from 100 place. In this one, we'll write 100. 100 means one number. So 8 ones are 8. But here written 11. So remainder will be 3 now. And this 4 steps. Now one more step we will add, that is check. So remainder will come 3 here now. In this one, next step is divide the tens. After completing 100, now we will do for tens. So this 3 we will write here. So now it is 33. So we know that 8 fours are 32. Remainder is 1. Again all the steps we will do it here, and the same steps we are doing in that numeral form. The last step is divide the ones. So now we will write as 8 here. Now 8 twos are 16. So in this one, remainder we get 2 and quotient we get 1142. Clear? After this, 3-digit quotient. The same thing we will do it here. Okay, when we are having 3 digits. So first we have to decide, then step 2, divide, then multiply, then subtract and then check. After that, bring down and repeat the steps. So in this one we get 3-digit quotient, and previous one we get 4-digit quotient. In this one, 0 in the quotient, it means in any of the place we get 0. Clear? See, there are two methods to solve. One is long and one is short. See, 4520 divided by 5. So 5 nines are 45. Then here will come 0 because full number is divisible by 5. Now we will write 2. But here we know that this 2 is less than 5. So we will take as a 0. So now 5 zeros are 0. So again we will write 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. So then we will write as 0. 5 fours are 20. One more method is there, that is short way to find. Exercise 4a. Solve 4-digit quotient. Just now we have done that same, we will do it here. In this one, first we have to decide. After that, we will divide first, then multiply, then subtract, and then remainder we get. Same here in this one, same method we will use it here. Then these are the steps which we have done just now. Step by step you can do it, or direct way. First we will check the 6 is less than 9. It means it can go by one table. 6 ones are 6. Remaining is 3. Then we will write as 2. 2 means now we will write 100 place. So 6 5s are 30. Remainder is 2. Now we write 9. Then again this 9 is in the place of 1000. So now 6 4s are 24. Clear? So in this one the remainder is 5. Now we will take as ones place. So 6 8s are 48. Remainder is 2. So quotient is 1548 and the remainder is 2. One more question I have solved. In this one, 8215 divided by 2. So same, that simple method or short method I have used here. You can do it any method, long as well as short. Next, solve 3-digit quotient. In this one, the second example. So here we will get 3-digit quotient, not 4-digit. So 2184 divided by 3. So how we will do? First we will check 3 sevens are 21. We know that this thing. So that it will completely divisible by this number. So now we will write 8. 3 2s are 6. So again remainder is 2. Then we will write as 4. So 3 8s are 24. In this one, quotient will be 728 and remainder is 0. See one more question here, that is 4592 divided by 5. 5 nines are 45. Then we will write 9. Then 5 ones are 5. Remainder is 4. Then write 2. So 5 eights are 40 and then 2. Okay, so question will be 918 and remainder is 2. One more question I have solved here. Next, solve quotient with 0. So the 0 example also I have explained. Same thing we will do it here. 4 2s are 8. Then this 0 we will write here. So now we will multiply as 4 into 0 is 0. Then now this 9 we will write here. 4 2s are 8. Then remainder is 1. So now this 1's place we will take as 6. Now it is 16. 4 4s are 16. One more question, 1050. Rest question, do it yourself. Then mixed practice. One, all type questions are there. It is of 4-digit, 3-digit and the quotient with 0. I have solved here. You can check it once. Next, dividing by tens. It is very easy to divide. Okay, See, 350 divided by 10. We know that the method, first we have to decide. See, this first number 10 is greater than 3. So now we will take two numbers now. So now 35 is greater than 10. After this, so we decide, it means now we have to start from tens place. So in this one, 10 3 is a 30. Remainder is 5. Clear? Then we will write this 0. 10 5 is a 50. So here same thing we will do it. First decide, then divide, then multiply, then subtract, and then check. Clear? So this one question I have solved here. Use the first quotient to help you find the second. Clear? So this one already done. In this one, see second one. 8, we know that in 8 table 48 coming 6 times. So now this is 80 and this is 480. So 80 into 6 is 480. One more question. 3, we know that 3 table. So 3 9s are 27. 30 into 9 is 270. Same here, 2 9s are 18 and 20 into 9 is 180. Second question, find the quotient. First, 90 divided by 10. Okay, so 10, we know that 10 table. 10 into 9 is 90. So the quotient is 9. We know that 20 table. 20 means we can check with the 2 table also. 2 4s are 8. Next, third question, find the quotient and remainder. 76 divided by 10. So first we can check with first number. It is not going by first number. Then we take tens, both number. So 10 sevens are 70. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Same here, 30 divided by 2. 30 multiplied by 2, we get 60 and the remainder is 23. So the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 23. After this, next topic is dividing by a 2-digit divisor up to 20. In this one, the rounded number, we can take it. Okay, see 84 divided by 14. In this one, 84 divided by 14, first we have to write like this. Then first estimate the quotient. So this 14 nearest to 10 is 10 only, or we can say that rounded to 10 is 10 and this 84 is 80. It means now we can check with the only one number. So this 1 8 is 8. So estimate quotient is 8. After that, it means what we can check now, this 14 and this 8. 14 8s are 112 is greater than your dividend. It means it is 2 more than this number. Now we will take one below number. 14 into 7 is 98. Again it is more than your number. Next one more number, below number we will take 14 into 6, that is 84 and 84. So now we get the same number. So here actual divide we will do now. 84 divided by 14 is 6, quotient and remainder is 1. And how to check the answer? How to check the answer? Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Like this we can check our answer. Next, exercise 4C. solve. There are no remainders here. It means remainder is not there. It means we will get the zero answer at last. Clear? See, 72 divided by 12. Same thing, first step. 72 divided by 12. Now we will do rounded. So 12 is 10 and 72 is 70. Then solve this thing off. So this first number and from here first number. It will go by 7 table. 1 7s are 7. So now the estimate quotient is 7 we will take. So 12 sevens are 84. This number is more than this number. Now we will take one less number, that is 6. 12 6 are 72. 72 and 72 we get the same answer. So directly we can do it now. Divide 72 divided by 12 is 6. So quotient is 6, remainder is 0. Now check the answer. In this one, divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder is 72. In this one, this is the long method, and the short method we can do it now. Till 20 table you should learn for solving this question. See, 17 5s are 85. Directly we can solve. Same here, 90 divided by 18 means it will go by 5. Question number 2. Solve. These problems have remainder. In this question, we get some remainder. 88 divided by 15 is 15 5s are 75. So this one is quotient and this one is remainder. So we can check like this. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. 98 divided by 12. Okay, so 12 8s are 96. Then remainder is 2. And you can check your answer also. So the same dividend you will get it. Okay, last question of this exercise. Mixed practice. It is mixed practice. In this one, we get no remainder and sometime we have some remainder. So this is the question I have solved here. So this you can go through once. The last topic of today's class is 4-digit dividend with 3-digit quotient. Okay, in this one we are having 4-digit dividend and 3-digit quotient. See, same step by step we will do. First decide, then divide, multiply, subtract and check. Then we will see which one will come. Then bring it down the next number. Then repeat the same step again. At last you will check your answer. In this one more thing is there, 0 in the quotient. Just now we have done in that previous of exercise 4a. The same thing we will do it here. So there are two methods for solving, long method and short method. So any one method you can solve it. Exercise 4d. Divide, check your answer. In this one, 864 divided by 27. So first we will do it. First we will check with this divisor and the same number we will take there, first and second number. See, 86 is greater than 27. It means approximate number we can do it here. So it will go approximate by 4 table. No, it is not going, because multiply by 4 we will do with 27. We get 108. So it is more than that number. Now we can get one less number. So 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. So 81 is less than 86. After that we will check our answer. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So second question, 525 divided by 32. So in this one, first we can match it, these two numbers and this number. So 52 is greater than 32. It means it will go by one table only. 32 into 1 is 32. Remainder is 20 we get. Now we will write 5, or we can bring it down 5. Now we are having 205. So in this one, according to rounded, we can say that 32 we can round it as 30 and 205 rounded as 210. So in this one, we know that this 30 table 210 will come 7 times. So we can check by 32 into 7. But it is not going by this because this number is more than our number. So now we can write one low number. So now 32 into 6 is 192. So that number we can write it here. And after that 205 minus 192 we get 13. And then we check also divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. We get the same answer, 525. Watch out for zeros. Same thing, watch out for zeros means same here we will do it. First 67, we can do round off also or directly we can solve it. 67 multiply by 7, we get 469. After that we get the remainder. Remainder is 35. So in this one, again 67 multiplied by 5, we get 335. So now here remainder we get 17 and this question we get 75. Clear? And one more question I have solved here. You can go through once. Now let's see recap. In this we have learned dividing a 4-digit number. In this we have learned 3-digit quotient and 0 in the quotient. Next is dividing by tens. Next is dividing by a 2-digit divisor up to 20. Next, dividing by greater 2-digit divisor. In this one, we have learned 4-digit dividend with 3-digit quotient and 2-digit quotient and 0 in the quotient. And the last is adjusting quotient. Now for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you and goodbye.